This is Tuesday, December 15th's writing lesson. Our objective today is I can identify and write sentences with articles. So first let's talk about the adjectives this, that, and articles. So the adjectives this and that tell which one. For example, please hand me that spoon. The adjective that tells which spoon you are referring to. This jacket is mine. The adjective this tells us which jacket we are referring to. The words a, and the are also adjectives, but we call these articles. The teacher asked us to sit in our seats. The is an article that describes the teacher. We use a before nouns that start with a consonant sound, and we use and before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. So let's look at this first example. A bird is singing in the backyard. We're going to use the article a here because bird starts with a consonant. But on the second example, this says an egret is flying overhead. Now we're going to use the article an because egret starts with an E, a vowel sound. So anytime you have a noun that starts with A, E, I, O, U, we're going to use the article an. If it starts with any other letter, which are our consonants, then we're going to use the article a. So in these first three examples, it says to find the adjective that tells which one, and then name the noun that the adjective describes. Number 1 says, I would like to sit in this seat. My adjective here is this, and it is describing the seat. Number 2, I filled that bottle with water to bring to the game. Here, my adjective is that, and it is describing the water bottle. Number 3, this restaurant has the best fries. Here, my adjective is this, and it is describing the restaurant. Numbers 4 through 7 say to determine which article goes with the underlined word. So I have a dog or I have an dog. I see that the noun underlined here is dog, and dog starts with a consonant, so we are going to use the article a. Let's plant a apple tree. Let's plant an apple tree. I see that the noun underlined here is apple tree. Apple begins with a vowel, so here we're going to use the article an. Fido is running around an garden. Fido is running around the garden. I see that garden starts with a consonant, so an would not work here. We're going to use the article the. And number 7, they told me there is an elephant at the zoo. They told me there is an elephant at the zoo. I see that the noun here is elephant. That begins with a vowel, so the article we're going to use is an. I will pull up a preview of what the exit ticket looks like. It's on Edulastic. So number 1 says to find the adjective that tells which one. So read the sentence, which adjective tells which one. Part B says this store is my favorite, so the same sentence, but now what noun is being described here? All right, so number 1's a 2-part question. Number 2, determine which article goes in this sentence. So you drag and drop a or an. Just remember the rule that we talked about on the slides. Number 3 is the same. Determine which article goes within the sentence. Number 4, same directions. Read the sentence, determine which article fits best. And number 5 says write a complete sentence with an article. So you can use the article a, you can use an, or you can use the, as long as you are using it correctly. So think back to the rule with the vowels and consonants and the articles. All right, and another thing to remember is that with our complete sentences, we have capital letters and punctuation as well. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Canvas, and I will be here to help you.